Making Noise for Autism 2021, our very first annual walk, and it was a huge success thanks to all that participated. I'm Bernadette Smith, Director of Community and Corporate Outreach for Sounds of Autism and Mom of Autism. We wanted to take a couple minutes to give a big shout out to all those that supported us on November 14th at our first annual walk, Making Noise for Autism in Peoria, Arizona at Rio Vista Park. First, Sounds of Autism would like to thank the City of Peoria, Arizona, Mayor Carlotte, her assistant, and her entire city council for not only believing in our cause, but for the generosity they all had to make this day a success for the 450 plus attendees that supported us at our first annual walk. Your generous host sponsorship combined opened doors for Sounds of Autism to be able to serve a larger audience and bring awareness to the needs of those living with special needs throughout the West Valley in Arizona. This event also provided an opportunity for us to highlight all of our community partners, participating service providers with our Calgary, Canada satellite team, and they too are grateful for your ongoing support. Their resources offer a lot less, and the model we create here in Arizona offers solutions to those in need living in Canada as well. Thank you, City of Peoria, for believing in and supporting Sounds of Autism's 2021 initiative, Unified Responder Community, to unify the state of Arizona, starting in the West Valley, and in our opinion, for being the role model for other cities and unconditionally setting the standard as a unified responder community. The safe and supportive platform you offer families that raise special needs children within your city raises the bar. Great job. To our title sponsors, Arizona Complete Health and United Healthcare, we are grateful for your generosity. And to our elite sponsors, Phoenix Realtor Yvonne Ballou, Justin Carnes and his Financial Benefit Planning Squad, Gabby and Jose Orozco with Ideal Care and Mercy Care. Your belief in our cause and your very generous donation ensured that we were able to have this walk and made it a huge success. To Cricket's husband, Officer Kevin Crotty, their son Landon, Sounds of Autism's Executive Director team, and Sounds of Autism's Executive Advisory Consultant Board members, because of you, we've been able to reach and support many. We have grown so much that it's impossible to mention everyone by name. You know who you are, and we are blessed to have every one of you working with us. Thank you to all the walk teams and the families for allowing us to serve you and supporting us in return. The volunteers who showed up to set up, to break down, and to serve those who needed help. Your hearts to serve unconditionally speak volumes. And a big shout out to Ms. Gina DeCoste and the Litchfield School District, City of Tolleson Mayor and City Council, the City of Tolleson Youth Program and Resource Center, and Surprise Police Department Explore Program. It was such a great, pleasant surprise to see the large teams you put together to represent your community. We are proud to be affiliated with everyone that participated and joined in on the fun and made this a success. You have truly responded to the cause. Human compassion and empathy are a choice. We thank you from the bottom of our hearts for making the conscious choice and helping us raise awareness by Making Noise for Autism. To learn more about Sounds of Autism and how we bridge the gaps with community leaders and service providers to serve families, visit our website and digital library on YouTube. You can reach us at info@soundsofautism.org. We will see you all again next year, and may God bless you and your family, especially during this time of year. Bye for now.